Today I'm going to discuss the difference between different protocols, Zigbee, 6LoWPAN, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So here I have given some parameters to differentiate all these things. I have considered the IEEE standard for differentiation and signal rate, topology, range, frequency, power consumption, nodes usage and application. So these using these points, I'm going to differentiate Zigbee, 6LoWPAN, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The first one is IEEE standard. So Zigbee operates on IEEE 802.15.4 standard. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. IEEE 802.15.4 standard ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And 6LoWPAN, this is a standard for low rate wireless personal area network. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟಾ ರೇಟ್ ಲೋ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ IEEE 802.15.4. In 6LoWPAN, like Zigbee, 6LoWPAN also uses IEEE 802.15.4 standard, and this is also for low power and short range communication. So for short range communication, this is used. Remember, this is used for short range communication. Next is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi operates on various IEEE standards. Here I have considered IEEE 802.11 standards. And it operates at 2.4 gigahertz frequency, and 5 gigahertz frequency band is also used for Wi-Fi. And Bluetooth, it uses IEEE 802.15.1 standard for short range wireless communication. See, all are for short range. 6LoWPAN is for short range, and Wi-Fi is for short range, and Bluetooth is also for short range. Here it is 802.15.4. It is also 15.4. Here it is 802.11, and here it is 15.1. So these things you should write. Next is about signal rate. So in signal rate, the Zigbee and 6LoWPAN and Bluetooth almost. So all these have signal rate ranging from 20 to 250 kilobits per second. So 20 to 250 kilobits per second, Zigbee and 6LoWPAN. And Wi-Fi, the data rate is up to 600 megabits per second. And Bluetooth, 1 to 3 megabits per second for Bluetooth 4. And for Bluetooth 5, it is 24 megabits per second. So these things you should write. Wi-Fi depends on specific standard. So whether it is 802.11 AC, like that. And it can have higher data rates up to 600 Mbps also. That is about Wi-Fi. Next is about topology. What topology is used? Network topology. This is called as network topology. So Zigbee, it supports mesh, star, and cluster tree topologies. Whereas 6LoWPAN supports only mesh topology. Wi-Fi supports point-to-point topology and point-to multi-point topology as well as mesh topology. And Bluetooth, it uses piconet. Piconet means master and slave relationship, and can form scatter net. So that is multiple all the points, piconets are connected together. So this is called as multiple piconet, a scatter net. This is master and slave is piconet. So here the mesh is common. Mesh, mesh, mesh here. Here it is piconet and a scatter net. This is about topology. Next is range. The typical range of Zigbee and LoWPAN and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is up to 10 to 100 meters. The range for 10 to 100 meters here, 10 to 100 meters here, and it is up to 100 meters, and it is also up to 100 meters. All are up to 100 meters. So you can remember easily. Okay, so Zigbee is up to 100 meters, 10 to 100 meters, and 6LoWPAN is also up to 100 meters, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Next is frequency. The frequency, all four operate in the frequency range of 2.4 gigahertz. 2.4 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz, and 5 gigahertz for 802.11a or AC, and 2.4. This is very easy to remember. 2.4, 2.4, 2.4, and 2.4. So if you don't remember 5 gigahertz for 802.11 AC, don't write. So you can write only 2.4, 2.4, 2.4 gigahertz. And power consumption. So in power consumption, the Zigbee has low to very, very low power consumption, and 6LoWPAN is also having very low power consumption, and Wi-Fi depends on the use case. So for what use case we are using Wi-Fi depends on that power consumption takes place, and Bluetooth low to very low. So all are very low. Wi-Fi only depends on the application. And nodes usage. Thousands of nodes can be connected to the Zigbee. Hundreds to thousands can be connected to 6LoWPAN, and tens to 100 for Wi-Fi. And for Zigbee, typically two. If it is master slave, only two nodes. More with the Bluetooth 5. So if you are using Bluetooth 5, you will have more number. So that is about nodes usage. So Bluetooth support typically two nodes in master slave configuration, but Bluetooth 5 introduces mesh networking for more extension coverage. For more coverage, Bluetooth 5 is used. Okay, next application. So the Zigbee is used in home automation and industrial control system. In home automation, it is used, and in industrial control system, it is used. In 6LoWPAN, it is applied in sensor network and various IoT applications. And Wi-Fi, it is used for high-speed data transfer. So wherever the high-speed data transfer is required, we can use Wi-Fi. And the last one, Bluetooth, it is used in the personal area network, such as connecting devices like we can connect a smartphone using Bluetooth, we can connect headphone using Bluetooth, and other peripherals we can connect in a personal area network using the Bluetooth. So these are the difference between Zigbee, 6LoWPAN, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. So this topic is very, very important for examination. So exam alli ಇದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಜಿಗ್ಬಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟು 1 2 3 4 5 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರೀ ಜಿಗ್ಬಿದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಯಾವ IEEE ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಟೋಪಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಂಜ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಜಿಗ್ಬಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಪವರ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ 6LoWPAN ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈಫೈ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರೀರಿ, ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರೀರಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So this is about the difference between Zigbee, 6LoWPAN, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth.